In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy domains on a Namecheap auction step by step so you can quickly find available domain names, check the competition, and place your bid with confidence. If you're trying to secure a great domain for a brand, business, or project, this is a really useful process to know. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software and web tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log in to your Namecheap account. So go to Namecheap and sign in with the email and password linked to your account. Once you're inside, you'll be on your main dashboard where you can access all of Namecheap's domain tools and marketplace features. Now that you're logged in, move your mouse over domains in the top menu. This opens up the domain related options, and from there you'll see different tools and sections related to buying, managing, and searching for domains. Next, select Namecheap Market. This is where Namecheap hosts its marketplace options, including domain auctions and premium listings. If you're looking for a domain that's already been registered but is being sold through Namecheap, this is the place to start. After that, choose auctions. This takes you directly into the Namecheap auction section, where you can browse domains currently available for bidding. You'll usually see a wide range of names here, so take your time and look through the listings carefully. Once you're on the auctions page, browse the available domain names. You can scroll through and search for domain ideas that match your brand, niche, or website goal. This is the point where you want to pay attention to names that are short, memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your project. Before placing any bid, make sure to check the current bid, number of bidders, and the auction end time. These three details are very important because they tell you how competitive the auction is, how much interest the domain already has, and how much time you have left to make a move. A domain with a low current bid and few bidders may be easier to win, while a highly competitive auction may require a stronger strategy. When you find a domain you want to buy, select the domain name to open its auction details. This will give you more information about the listing, and it's where you can decide whether the domain is worth bidding on. Now, click Bid Now. This starts the bidding process and brings up the form where you can enter your offer. At this stage, be sure you're comfortable with the domain and the amount you're willing to pay, because once you bid, you're entering the auction officially. Enter your bid amount. Make sure your bid meets any minimum requirement and reflects the amount you're actually willing to spend. It's a good idea to stay within your budget and avoid getting caught up in bidding more than you planned. Finally, confirm your bid. Double check the amount, review the auction details one last time, and then submit it. Once confirmed, your bid will be placed into the auction and you'll be able to monitor whether you're winning or if other bidders surpass you before the auction ends. And that's it. You now know how to buy domains on a Namecheap auction. You logged in, found the auction section, reviewed the listings, checked the key details, and placed your bid. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.